माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shivraj Rao Giridhar Patil, a former member of this House, on the 22nd of July 2017 at the age of 92 years. Born in March 1925 in Jalgaon district of Maharashtra, Shri Patil was educated at the Pratap College, Maharashtra and Christian College, Lucknow. An agriculturist, industrialist and businessman, Shri Patil participated in the freedom struggle and underwent imprisonment. He served as the president of the National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories Limited and of the World Association of Beet and Cane Growers, Paris, France. He was also the chairman of the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank and the Maharashtra Cooperative Sugar Factories Federation. Shri Patil started his legislative career as a member of Maharashtra Legislative Council in 1960 and was a member of the council from 1960 to 1967. He was also a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from 1967 to 1980. He served as Minister of State and as Cabinet Minister in the government of Maharashtra from 1968 to 1972 and from 1976 to 1978. Shri Shivraj Rao Giridhar Patil represented the state of Maharashtra in this House from July 1992 to July 1998. In the passing away of Shri Patil, the country has lost a veteran freedom fighter, a distinguished parliamentarian, and an able administrator. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shivraj Rao Giridhar Patil. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
आदरणीय सभापति जी, आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची क्रम संख्या 1 पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित विवरण को मैं सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री बाबुल सुप्रियो।
I rise to lay papers on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Arjun Meghwal.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in the today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Now, report to the Committee of Privileges. Shri Naresh Gujral.
I lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the 65th report of the Committee of Privileges on the matter of breach of privilege arising out of alleged premature disclosure of CNAG report to the press before its laying on the table of the House.
Motion for election to the Indian Nursing Council. Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda to move.
Sir, I rise to move that in pursuance of the clause O of subsection 1 of subsection 3, read with the subsection 1 and subsection 4 of the section 6 of the Indian Nursing Council Act 1947, 48 of 1947, this House to do proceed to elect in such a manner as the Chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be member of the Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi, subject to the provisions of the Act due to the retirement of Shri N.R. Manjunath.
Yes, motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Nobody? Yes, those against, please say no. I think the ayes have, the ayes have, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Now, motion for election to the Central Advisory Committee of the National Cadet Corps. Sri Subhash Ramrao Bambre.
So with your permission, I rise to move that in pursuance of clause 1 of subsection of 1, read with subsection 1A of section 12 of the National Cadet Corps Act 1948, 31st of 1948, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct one member from amongst the member of the House to be a member of the Central Advisory Committee for the National Cadet Corps.
Motion moved. Those in favor, aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have, the ayes have, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. क्या है?
मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर ये है कि श्रीमान हर साल जब बजट पेश होता है तो हम सदन में जो बजट की राशि स्वीकार करते हैं उसमें बैंक को हर साल सरकार 1 लाख से 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए उन बैंक की स्थिति ठीक करने के लिए रुपए देती है।
उसमें पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर कहाँ?
यह पॉइंट ऑफ हमने चूंकि इस सदन से हम पास कर रहे हैं इस हमारे हमारा राइट बनता है। श्रीमान रिजर्व बैंक ने एक एक्ट बनाया, उस एक्ट में उन्होंने कहा कि वो बड़े कर्जदारों का नाम नहीं पब्लिश करेंगे। अभी हमारी मीटिंग हुई, उस मीटिंग में रिजर्व बैंक ने जो हमको जवाब दिया कि टोटल देश का जितना एनपीए है 12 बड़े उद्योगपतियों के पास उस एनपीए का 25% कर्जा है। हम स्टूडेंट अगर लोन ले लें 1 लाख तो हमारा नाम लिस्ट में निकल जाएगा, वसूली शुरू हो जाएगी। किसान ले ले दीवार पर नाम लिख दिया जाएगा। उन उद्योगपतियों का नाम क्यों नहीं लिखा जाएगा? देश के अखबारों में क्यों नहीं प्रचारित होता है कि अगर 13% अगर लोन का पैसा एनपीए उनके पास है तो रिजर्व बैंक को कौन सा अधिकार हो गया? हम संसद बड़ी है या रिजर्व बैंक बड़ी है? इस तरह देश का अरबों खरबों रुपया एक उद्योगपति 9,000 करोड़ रुपए लेके लंदन में पड़े हुए, एक और लंदन में पड़े हुए, तमाम बाहर भाग गए, तमाम के पास पैसा है, छोटा छोटा गरीब तहसीलों में बंद हो रहा है, लेकिन कोई बड़ा आदमी नहीं बंद हो रहा है। श्रीमान छोटे लोगों पर ज्यादती हो रही। मैं चाहूंगा वित्त मंत्री जी आप सदन को आश्वासन दें, उन 100 लोगों की लिस्ट पूरे देश के सामने होनी चाहिए जिन पे देश का अरबों खरबों रुपया बाकी है और देश जान सके वो कौन लोग हैं और किसके संरक्षण में पल रहे हैं, इस पे आखिर होनी चाहिए।
सर स्टेशन पर पैकेट मार लेता है 100-200 रुपया, धुनाई भी पुलिस भी करती है, पब्लिक भी, उसका फोटो भी लगता है।
नरेश जी,
सिर्फ नाम से काम नहीं चलेगा।
Issue is important, but it is not a question of point of order. The matter you raised is important, but it is not a question of point of order. That is a
नहीं, इस हमारे पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है कि हाउस से इन्वॉल्व रहे। सदन ने बजट पास किया है, सदन की प्रॉपर्टी बजट है, अगर उस प्रॉपर्टी को हम किसी को देते अब वो उस प्रॉपर्टी का मिसयूज करता है तो सदन को राइट बनता है। ये सदन में पास हुआ है, अगर सदन में नहीं पास होता।
Under what rule you are raising then?
I am raising in the point of order. You can direct to government. You can direct to government.
सर एक भी एनपीए वाला
एक मिनट आनंद जी, एक मिनट आनंद जी, मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर ये है, मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर ये है कि सबको पता है कि राष्ट्रपति का चुनाव होता है और उसकी शपथ ग्रहण 25 तारीख को 12 बजे 12:15 बजे होती, सबको पता है। इसके बावजूद भी ये क्वेश्चन क्यों एक्सेप्ट किए गए? जिन मेंबर्स के क्वेश्चन आवर है और क्वेश्चन एक्सेप्ट हुए हैं वो अब कैसे, उनका क्या होगा? तो जो क्वेश्चन जो आज के नाम पे एक्सेप्ट हुए हैं और उनको प्रिंट करके दिया कि सारे मेंबर्स के क्वेश्चन है तो दूसरे दिन डाले जाए, वरना कोई मतलब नहीं, क्योंकि सबको पता शपथ ग्रहण हाउस एडजॉर्न होगा तो फिर क्वेश्चन क्यों एक्सेप्ट किए गए? ये पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है। आप इसके बारे में आप बताइए, या तो और भी क्वेश्चन लगाए जाए।
I think Rajiv Shukla has raised a very important point because he says today's question hour is lost because of the swearing-in ceremony. In that case, he should also explain who are responsible for many other days when question hours are lost. You should also explain that.
Secretariat mistake. This is secretariat mistake. This cannot be compared with that.
No,
you cannot equate it.
So that's not fair. That's not fair, sir. today is the swearing-in ceremony.
Yeah.
It should not have been mentioned in the list of business. Second thing is, sir, एक minute.
You know,
there is one important question.
That does not make it an issue in my
There is
view.
one very important question, sir, please, which was listed for today since the question hour is not going to take place, where the Honorable Finance Minister has given a reply on behalf of the Reserve Bank of India, post-demonetization. Every week earlier, the Reserve Bank was giving out the number of the old currency notes returned and received, and all the banks were counting. Now, after 9 months, in 9 months, even a new child is born if the mother conceives. Now they say we are going to get new counting machines. We don't know how much money has come. This is a very serious matter. It's not a frivolous matter I am raising.
No,
today, on one hand, you are talking of going to Moon and Mars, digital India, and you can't count money in 9 months. This is a question which is listed for today.
No, then, you see, Anand Sharma ji
kya karega?
No, I'll tell
I'm
you.
not going to count for the
No,
RBI.
if there is a listed question, there are other means of having a discussion on that.
Kya kare, sir?
You know that.
Because of the swearing in.
You know that.
We cannot ask the question. The question is listed. So I'm raising it in the 0 hour.
No, you can have it.
एक बहुत गंभीर मामला है जिसमें न केवल मैं बल्कि सारे देश के लोग चिंतित हैं। रक्षा मंत्री जी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। अभी सीएजी ने रिपोर्ट दी है कि अगर युद्ध होता है तो हमारे पास 10 दिन का गोला बारूद है केवल। सीमाओं पर तनाव है। चीन और पाकिस्तान दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं सब जानते हैं। फिर क्या वजह है कि हमारे पास इतना आर्म्स और अम्यूनिशन नहीं है कि हम 10 दिन से भी ज़्यादा लड़ सकें। और ये चीज़ ओपन हो गई तो जब आप जानते हैं कि बंद मुट्ठी लाख की और खुली मुट्ठी खाक की। तो मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है, यहाँ मत बताइए कि क्या स्थिति है हमारी, लेकिन ये स्थिति से इसको पढ़ के सारे देश के लोग चिंतित हैं। और जो भी खरीद फरोख्त करनी होती है, बोफोर्स के बाद लोग इतने डर गए हैं कि अधिकारी दस्तखत नहीं करते हैं। देश को बचाने के लिए जो भी खरीदना पड़े, जो करना पड़े वो करिएगा, लेकिन देश को बचाने के लिए आप लोग इस मामले में कोई लाएतलाली न बरतें। ये मेरा आपसे
Yes, Honorable Defence Minister. Honorable Defence Minister. No, you sit down. Honorable Defence Minister. Baba Baitiye. Honorable Defence Minister, you sit down. Sit down, Defence Minister, Honorable Defence Minister, please.
Sir, the Honorable Member Shri Ram Gopal Yadav has raised a very important point. A particular report was given in 2013. As a follow-up of that, another report has been submitted recently. It will probably be taken up before the PAC. Normally we don't discuss CAG reports, but I don't want to rest on that technicality. The report has reference in relation to a particular point of time. Substantially thereafter, significant progress has been made.
No, let him explain.
Please,
let him
progress
complete.
has been made. And
listen to
till last year. Yes. Thereafter.
Okay, please. No, let him explain. Sit down, let him explain. Misri ji, sit down, let him explain. Misri ji, sit down. Sit down. Yes, please.
It has reference to a particular point of time. Thereafter, procedures have been simplified, powers have been decentralized, and the armed forces are reasonably and sufficiently equipped. Let me assure this House.
Okay, that's enough. No, that assurance is enough. No. He has assured.
CAG report, which has been submitted to the Parliament, Honorable Finance Minister, who is also holding additional charge of defense, has responded to what Ram Gopal
No,
Yadav
CAG
said.
report can be
Please,
discussed
sir,
in
please,
PSC.
Please, I want specifically to know from the Leader of the House and the Defense Minister that when was this procedure simplified? It was only 10 days before when the Vice Chief of the Army, a committee has been set up, and the government has now taken a decision to go for emergency ammunition purchases and
anyhow, defense
No. It is not something
okay.
which is available like you are buying a ice cream in the
Yeah,
market.
no, please. Okay.
How can you say for 3 years nothing was done? For 3, sir, when Prime Minister,
don't.
Honorable Prime Minister,
I am
took
not
oath of
having a
office,
discussion on this.
there was no regular defense.
No
minister.
discussion on this.
Then Parikar ji came, he was a non-performer, and now
I
again
want to come to that. I am
defense
not
of the
having a
country.
discussion on this.
Both the borders are tense.
No discussion.
For 3 full
If you
years.
want a discussion, give separate notice. If you want a discussion, give separate notice. I am going to 267 notices. Now, please, those who want discussion can give separate notice. No more about this. I am going for a 267 discussion. 267 first notice is Pramod Tiwari. The same subject is being discussed today as a short duration discussion, therefore not permitted. Then somebody, Chhatrapati, he can repeat in 0 hour, so they're not permitted. Sir Derek O'Brien, that is about, yes, what is it? Within 3 minutes.
Sir,
within 3 minutes.
I will take 3 minutes.
Within 3 minutes.
Yesterday, the HRD minister was not here, so we were gracious. We were gracious to check our facts and come back today. Sir, this is the story. The HRD ministry called for suggestions. They received hundreds of suggestions from hundreds of different people, which is the right, they will choose some of the suggestions. Now, one of those suggestions which came, among others, was with the association affiliated, very well known, run by Mr. Dinanath Batra to the RSS. The preposterous suggestion is that Rabindranath Tagore should be removed from the syllabus.
But yesterday minister said nothing like that.
Sir,
I think yesterday minister said nothing like that.
Let me finish. Sir, let me finish.
No, yesterday minister said there is nothing like that.
The minister, 1 minute. Sir, let me finish. If someone...
Minister is already...
Yeah.
Sir, you gave me a chance.
Wrong and wrong. Galat hai ye.
Just, sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Yesterday the minister was not here. No. To be fair, the minister was not here yesterday. The minister was not here yesterday. If someone is doing it to seek publicity, that's not my problem, sir. But Rabindranath Tagore doesn't need a certificate from anybody here. He doesn't need a certificate from anybody
here. Is there any move from the government?
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
No, what I am... Unless there is a move from the government, why do you worry?
I want a straightforward answer. One answer, sir. Because this Rabindranath, who said...
Nobody is going to remove Rabindranath. What are you talking?
Sir, I want a straightforward answer from this government. One question. This is a suggestion. Sir, one question. Let him clarify it. This is a suggestion made by the Shiksha Sanskriti Utthan Nyas. This has been the suggestion.
Did the government accept it?
Minister should disassociate the government from the RSS-run institution. Let him say it and I'll sit down.
Okay, you sit down. All right, sit down. Okay, now you sit. Do you want to react?
Deputy Chairman.
Yes.
Deputy Chairman, let me clarify at the outset. We respect Rabindranath Tagore on all those who have brought freedom and culture and heritage and literature, and they have made country proud. Yes. So we hail everybody, and nothing will be removed of this kind. But let me tell you one thing. What we have asked, there should not see somebody. No, let me tell you. He said, our honorable member said that somebody is doing for publicity, but we also should not do it for publicity. Let me tell you, for NCERT books, if there are any factual errors, we ask from teachers and others suggestions. We have received more than 700 suggestions. So after only seeing and verifying, will not do anything which will create some problem.
No, why?
We are not going to do it.
No. Why are you engaged in shadow fight? No, listen. No. What is your problem? No. Now see, Derek O'Brien. No, why are you on shadow fight? He said it is only correction of factual error. Are you saying that Rabindranath Tagore is a factual error? He is saying that only a factual error correction, if at all. No. When government is saying there is no such step, why do you worry? Now I am going. अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हाँ.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
नरेश जी,
उन्होंने
Don't you trust the government?
तालिब के लिए भी लिखा है.
ऐसा नहीं है.
पाक नाम के हमारे पोइट के लिए भी लिखा है. उन्होंने उर्दू के शब्दों को निकालकर संस्कृत के शब्द डाले.
So I am.
Who is Deenanath Batra?
That's a different matter. Sit down. That's a different matter. 0 over. Sri Naresh Agarwal. 0 over. You are 0 over. Sri Naresh Agarwal 0 over. नरेश अग्रवाल का 0 ओवर. बोलियो.
सभापति जी.
You are 0 over.
हम सब अपनी सेना पे गर्व
0 over.
हम सब अपनी सेना पे गर्व करते हैं और हम सबको कहने में कोई हिचक
नहीं.
नहीं.
0 over. Only 0 over. Nothing else.
0 over. कि हम सबको गर्व है कि हमारी सेना विश्व में सबसे बढ़िया सेना है और हमारी सेना ने कभी हार नहीं स्वीकार की. लेकिन श्रीमान इस समय एक नया फैशन चल गया है. सारे टीवी चैनल पे हमारा ऑपरेशन जो सेना का हो रहा है, चाहे एलओसी पे हो रहा हो, चाहे श्रीनगर में पत्थरबाजों पे हो रहा है, सारे चैनलों पे श्रीमान खुलेआम दिखाया जा रहा है. सैनिक खींच के भेज देते हैं और हमारी सीक्रेसी दिखाई जाती है. मुझे याद है 26/11 का जब आतंकवादी हमला हुआ था बम्बई पे, उस समय टीवी पे दिखाया जा रहा था कि कैसे हमारे लोग जा रहे हैं उसको कोने. एक सीन दिखाया जा रहा था और बाद में स्वीकार किया गया कि ये बहुत गलती थी. कुछ चैनलों पर श्रीनगर में हमारे मिलिट्री वाले दे रहे हैं कि हम पत्थरबाजों के खिलाफ ये ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं.
No. I am not allowing point of order. I am not allowing. Sit down.
वहाँ पे कुछ लोग वहाँ पर मिलिट्री वाले दे रहे हैं. श्रीमन कैसे सेना के ऑपरेशन में पत्रकारों को अलाउ कर दिया जा रहा है, कैसे वहाँ के सीन आ रहे हैं. हम पाकिस्तान के बंकर कैसे उड़ा रहे हैं वो तक तो हम दिखा रहे हैं टीवी पे. अगर मिलिट्री की सीक्रेसी, राम गोपाल जी ने कहा कितने दिन का एमुनेशन है बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम भी कहते हैं सेना क्या ऑपरेशन करना चाहती है, सेना को क्या छूट मिली हुई है बताने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. तो मैं चाहूंगा डिफेंस मिनिस्टर जी, माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी, इस चीज को और मैं नहीं चाहता कि हमारे देश की सीक्रेसी ले.
अच्छा ठीक है.
यही बात.
It is a valid point. I think it's a valid point. Yes, government should look into it. Sri D. Raja. Sri D. Raja.
This in the all-party meeting that in the TV studios every evening the defense-related sensitive matters are being debated just for the talk shows. For some retired army officers are invited. Some retired army officers from Pakistan are invited, and they talk about what we have, what we don't have. That's a very sensitive period for India on our borders. The government must pay some attention to it.
Sri D. Raja. Anandji, ठीक है. You raise a valid point. Yes. Government will look into it. D. Raja, please. Anandji, बैठिए. D. Raja. D. Raja. Anandji, बैठिए. D. Raja. Okay. No.
Sir.
You made your point. Sit down. D. Raja.
Sir.
No, you made your point. Sit down. D. Raja. D. Raja, please.
Sir, yesterday I wanted to raise this issue.
Jaldi bolo.
Yesterday I wanted to raise this issue.
Speak.
Today I am raising this issue. I am happy that respected Prakash Javadekar is present in the House. He is the Minister of HRD. Sir, yesterday thousands of college teachers, university teachers came to New Delhi, the national capital, from all over the country. They came here to protest against the government's apathy to the teaching community of our country. They came here to express their resentment towards the government's apathy to the state-funded, public-funded educational system in our country. Sir, there are many serious issues, concerns. For instance, the teachers of our country have a great concern that the existence of distinguished institutions like UGC, AICTE are under great uncertainty. And there are fears they will be dismantled and they will be replaced by those organizations called ERA and EFA. This is clearly an attempt towards further bureaucratization, further centralization, and further commercialization of education. Already privatization is on board, and this is a serious concern. What the teachers community are demanding, they want more budgetary allocations on education. Way back in 1960s, Kothari Commission recommended 6% of the GDP to be spent on education. But now we have not reached the target. Now we are in 2017. 6% is very small. Now we should think of investing more, 10%, 15% for our education. But government is not doing. And this is what the teaching community is demanding. Everybody is demanding. And moreover, the government will have to engage with teacher organizations, whether it is IFACTO or FEDCUTA. You must, as a minister, you must call these organizations. You must discuss what are the issues the teaching community is confronting, what are the problems that our education has got today. This is what in a democracy we expect from the government. But the government is not engaging with the teacher organizations. And there are so many problems.
Yes, time over, Ripun Bora.
So that
time
is why
over, Ripun Bora. Ripun Bora. Bolo, bolo.
Thank you, sir.
Ripun Bora.
Sir,
all names will be added.
Sir,
Ripun Bora. Ripun Bora.
Recent CAG report.
Sir,
1 minute, Minister, Honorable Minister. This is very important matter. This matter is concerned to the defense of our country. You allow me to.
Wait, yes. Be short because I have to be brief.
Let me tell you that we engage with everybody, every organization with 6 time. I give them, I discuss with them, I have discussed with ABRSM, I have discussed with IFUCTO, and we have constant dialogue whenever they want. I discuss. Number one, we are not dismantling anything. We are reforming the regulators to make it, giving more autonomy to the institutes where quality benchmarks are laid. And one more thing is that HIFA is a finance agency, nothing to do with anything what you have
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Ripun Bora.
Sir, the recent CAG report, this is a very alarming in 3 points. Number 1 point is, in 2013, CAG pointed out that the defense, there is an acute scarcity of defense ammunition. But in 2017, despite lapse of 4 years, the government has not taken anything to make up the fill-up. This is one objection. Then second thing is that in 2009 to 2013, there is a major decisions for defense procurement. But in 2017, after lapse of 4 years, the government has not given approval. Defense Ministry has not given approval to this procurement. For this, our defense system is at such a very bad and dismal condition. And third thing is, sir, in 2013, the defense prepared a plan of 16,500 crores to fulfill the deficiency of stock of arms and ammunition, but that has not yet been implemented. And the fourth one, this, sir, is so far the Navy is concerned. The CAG has pointed out very bad condition of the Navy during 2017 to 2016. 38 numbers of accidents took place where our warships and submarines were damaged, and this is because of this Navy's poor preparedness to combat with the fire, explosion and water. To rectify and counter all such challenges, Indian Navy formed one safety organization in 2014. But due to non-approval of the government, it has yet to be made functional. So, sir, these are the points CAG has raised. So now, in view of this signers, in view of such signers, the heavy deployment of army.
No, time over. Sit down. Time over. Sanjay Kumar, I think no time. You can give a notice for tomorrow.
Minute, sir. 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes. महोदय, मोतीलाल बास्के नाम का आदिवासी मजदूर जो झारखंड के गिरिडीह जिले के ग्राम चिरुआ बेड़ा ढोलकट्टा जो मधुबन थाने के तहत ही आता है का पुलिस द्वारा गोली मारकर 9 जून 2017 नक्सली बताकर हत्या कर दी।
संजय कुमार, you repeat your notice for tomorrow, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Repeat your notice for tomorrow. House is adjourned till 2 p.m.